Need more data on US Mobile? No problem. This section breaks down how to add data in a flash. US Mobile offers flexible options through top-ups, add-ons, and plan changes. The easiest way is through the US Mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Open the app and select Add Data under your account menu. Here you'll see various add-on options, like 1 GB for a small fee or unlimited for a set price. Select the one you need and confirm your payment. Remember, data add-ons usually expire at the end of your billing cycle, so use it up. You can also top up your account balance via the app, website, or authorized retailers. This is useful if you're close to your data limit and want to avoid overage charges. Another way to get more data is to change your plan. Use the Change Plan feature in the app to upgrade to a plan with more data. Changes take effect immediately. US Mobile's app is your best friend for data management. Use the dashboard to monitor your data usage and avoid unexpected overages, which are billed at 10 cents per MB. Consider setting up Auto Top Up to automatically add funds when your balance is low. This prevents service interruptions. Keep an eye out for US Mobile's AI-powered recommendations for data add-ons. The app learns your usage patterns and suggests add-ons to fit your needs. When traveling internationally, don't forget to enable roaming in your device settings if you're using an international add-on. US Mobile prioritizes transparency, so you can find all the details about fees and terms in the app. Choosing the right plan and add-ons can save you money and ensure you always have the data you need. With data usage on the rise, US Mobile's flexible options are perfect for staying connected without breaking the bank. Stay connected affordably with US Mobile's data management tools.